How to get a free trial of Baryton fonts. Baryton is a unique typeface inspired by 1970s typography, featuring bold serifs and smooth curves. While a permanent license is required for full usage, you can access a free 3-hour trial through a font rental platform. Step 1. Download the font trial platform. Install the font rental app download and install the required font rental platform on your computer. Ensure the app is compatible with your operating system. Step 2. Search for Baryton. Open the app and navigate to the search bar. Type Baryton and locate the typeface in the font catalog. Select the Baryton font to access its details. Step 3. Activate the free trial. Click the Try for Free button to start the 3-hour trial. The font will be temporarily installed and available for use in design applications. Step 4. Use Baryton in your projects. Open your preferred design software, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, etc. Select Baryton from the font menu and test its versatility in different layouts. The font will remain accessible for 3 hours before the trial expires. Step 5. Purchase or extend usage, optional. If you wish to continue using Baryton after the trial, rent a single style for a monthly fee. Rent the entire font family for extended use. A permanent license is available for a one-time purchase. By following these steps, you can explore the Baryton typeface for free and determine if it suits your design needs.